What is up, YouTube? It is Matthew here once again with another video, and in today's video we will be talking about how to get your very first sale with Shopify, whether that's drop shipping or print on demand or just regular different types of drop shipments that you're going to do. Now, before we go on, be sure to subscribe, comment down below, and like this video. Now, how to get your first sale with Shopify. So first I'm going to talk about how I got my first sale with Shopify. So I started Shopify drop shipping in the year of 2017, last year, and I started it in March. And so I was testing different products and whatnot, and I got my sale. I got it pretty early, probably within a week, because I drove so much traffic to my store. And so this is about how to get your first sale with Shopify, not necessarily how to get your first profit with Shopify. That will be on another video. So that leads on to my very first point, traffic. You have to bring traffic into your store in order for people to visualize your product, make a decision, and purchase and to convert. And it has to be the right traffic, right? So if you're selling nursing products like I Love Being a nurse bracelet, that was actually the very first item I sold. It was like a necklace that says I love being a nurse or something like that, and I was selling like medical theme jewelry and stuff like that. And yeah, and so I just got it by targeting people on Facebook with nursing interests. So traffic is number one. You have to bring traffic to your store. Another thing I want to talk about is do not concentrate on the design of your website, the apps, the different apps, the layout. Only concentrate on testing different products and marketing. So a lot of times when you first start, you want to make sure you have a pretty website, nice photos, and all of that is good. But honestly, in the end of the day, that does not matter. Your main focus is on products and marketing. I would say marketing is even more important than the products, because you could kind of sell any product to a group of people. You just have to know which people to sell this product to, right? And so marketing is the ability to bring traffic to your store through Facebook ads and Instagram. And so to get your first sale, you really have to hone in into your skills with marketing, how to target people on Facebook, how to get sponsored posts on Instagram. Like, that is key. That's how I started. You know, I just started by just watching a ton of YouTube videos about how to Facebook advertise, how to run Instagram ads. I was hungry. I was thirsty for it. And yeah, and so really do watch videos like these on how to run Facebook ads. Not only learn, you gotta master. Put in the 10,000 hours. Master the art of Facebook ads. That's really key. And so by doing that, you will bring traffic to your store. And so even though that whole week I probably spent $100, I got a sale for like $20, $25. I lost $80, but I got my first sale. And some people are ecstatic during their first sale, but I don't know. For me, I wasn't. I was like, okay, now it's time to get that profit. And it took me like months afterwards until I actually got a profit. And so, you know, I thank God that I was working during that time. I was working full time, and I was able to, whatever extra money I have, just put that into the business. And so that's how you get your first sale with Shopify. It's mainly bringing traffic to your store. And how do you bring traffic to your store? Facebook ads, Instagram posts, Google Ads. Just learn how to bring traffic to your store, and it's best to make sure it's good traffic relating to your niche. So I'm gonna put that over there, good traffic. Dang, I can't spell traffic relating to your niche. Alright, you all, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe, comment down below, and I hope you all like this video, honestly. Alright, see you all.